Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that easy shawl, but it's not only shawl. You can use that with cowl, or you can use that a hoodie, and also you can use that with shawl. It's so easy. It's not take your too much time. I crochet it so fast. I hope you like it. I use three different parts. One is double crochet, one I made boxes, and one here is cross. I will tell every detail in the video. You can change the lines which you want, or you can use different type of stitches. It's your choice. I use multicolor yarn. You can see that shawl on me from the beginning of the video. I hope you like it. I want to make so simple projects, and we can make it easily. Hope you will try that. But if you have any questions, please leave me comments. I want to help you. Thanks for your support and thanks for your watching. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our multifunctional crochet shawl. Let's start to crochet. First of all, I want to tell you how can you calculate your chains number. You will measure your body from the shoulder to shoulder, turn all around. Okay, for example, it comes to 1 meter. You will add 20 centimeters. Which measurement, which number you find, or for example, I found that 110 centimeter and I add 20 centimeters, so I will chain 130 centimeter chains. Chain number will be different for using your yarn and hook. So this is the the base of that shawl. You will measure your shoulders, turn all around your body, find the number 90 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 meter 10, which one of them will plus 20 centimeter. That's the point. I will show you a little sample for that and show the stitches and how you can twist that shawl like that. After, you can make your shawls which size you want, and you can use which stitch you want. Okay, let's start that. First of all, I want to tell you which hook I will use. I use in that shawl 6mm hook, and I use that quality of yarn, multicolor Favori batik, and it's 100 grams of yarn, 210 meters. Its size number is 3, that's light category, and they recommend us using 3.5mm hook. Sorry, I forgot that. That's one important point, that which yarn you choose. Here write 3mm, you will use 2 number more, 5mm. Here use 3.5, nearly 4. I use 6mm because we want that shawl salashi. Okay. And you can wash that 30 degrees. You can iron that, not put in the dry machine. It's 100% of acrylic. I've lost that label, so I couldn't tell you which color that. You can choose which you want. Okay, that's the point. You will use which yarn you choose. They recommend you which number you will use. You should use 2mm bigger hook, and you will measure your body from the shoulder, turn all around. Which centimeter you find, you will add 20 centimeter on it. That's the point. That's enough. I will show you. I want to show you more closer. Make a slip knot. Then make my chains. I make a sample, so you will make your chains which size you measure plus 20 centimeter. Okay, don't forget that. I think that's enough. Then make my control, and I will join two sides together, but be careful not twist it. Your chain's more longer and it's so big, so you should more careful than me. Make your controls, okay, not be twisted. Then join them with a slip stitch. Then chain 3 and count as a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make double. Double. I will make every stitch a double crochet. I come at the end of this round. Usually we join with a slip stitch here, but now not making that because we want that twisted shape on that shawl. So I will turn that side, yarn over and keep crocheting bottom of that double crochets. Okay, not making slip stitch, I will make every stitch a double crochet again. I make all the stitches double crochet. When I come at the end, I will turn to you. I come at the end, here the last stitch. Now I will make a slip stitch, join with a slip stitch. You can see the twisted looking. I can show you with a little sample that twist looking in 2 rounds, but you will make more chains, so you can see that twisted looking more rounds after. Okay, don't make panic. Okay, then I crochet, you can see here I crochet totally 6 rounds with double crochet. After that 6 rounds I will make 2 rounds boxes. It's your choice. You can make 6 rounds or you can make 2, or it's only your choice about that. Chain 3 for the double crochet and chain 1 for the space. Yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one and make a double. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. I will turn all around that after show you I come here from our starting point, so chain 1 and join with a slip stitch from the 3rd chain. You see, we made both side boxes. Now I repeat that one more round. You can see here I made 2 rounds with boxes. So chain 4, 3 for double, 1 for space, insert into the next double stop and make double crochet. Chain 1 and make double crochet. I will make that boxes after turn to you. I come at the end, chain 1 and join the third stitch of first double crochet. You see, we crochet 2 sides together because we twisted on the first round. You don't skip that. You will make that twisted looking on the first round. I showed you. You can watch again if you make some confuses. Now in that shawl, only different part, that cross part, but it's so easy. I will show you now. First, chain 2, yarn over twice, then skip 2 stitch, 1 and 2, insert into the third one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook from that 2 loops, bottom of that chain 2, grab the yarn and make a double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is first one. It's not looking good, but at the end we join with slip stitch and it's looking more cross. Now you can see that again. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch. Next stitch is here. I insert that space, pull through 2, yarn over and skip 2, insert into the third one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, then chain 2, yarn over and insert your hook from here, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's the X or cross, which you want to say that. Yarn over twice, here we have a stitch, insert into the next one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, skip 2, insert into the third one, grab the yarn, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times we off that hook, chain 2, yarn over and insert that. This is chain 2, bottom of that chain 2, here 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. I want to show you one more time. Yarn over twice, we make here a stitch, so insert into the next one here. You can insert the space, pull through 2, yarn over, skip 2 stitch, insert into the third one, grab the yarn and pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 2, pull through 2, 3, pull through 2, 4. I pull off that hook 4 times, then chain 2, yarn over and insert my hook, that loops, bottom of that chain 2, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's the stitch. First time it gets a little confusing. After you will make it's getting more easier. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, skip 2, insert into the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, yarn over, insert into bottom of that loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. I complete that I come at the end, yarn over twice, insert into the next one, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, skip 2, insert into the third one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, yarn over and insert into that bottom of that 2 loops, grab the yarn and make a double crochet and make the X top, and we come to our start point, insert into that top of that chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. I complete with the boxes, so chain 4, skip 1, insert into the next one, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. That's the pattern. It's too little, but I can show you like that. We make 2 sides, that X. You can choose different stitch. I tell you again, you can choose that all the stitch or round number. You can decrease or increase, it's your choice, it's your creative. After that, that's the important point, that twisted, okay, not anything important about that. Hope you like it and you will try. I hope that it's so easy, warm and cozy. I like that very much. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.